Okay, like that. Should work like that. Yeah. Should work fine. What are you thinking? How can I?
Right, shall we go?
Faced with
We're heading, what time is it now? 11:46, we're heading south.
yes, Annika. And your husband is an old man. And sometimes he can't just run anymore. See what she's doing? She's pulling him up. Gently. Wow. I'm just looking for a chair to sit. We just waking up. See, my I didn't actually test it. Actually. My promise was that I would. How do you say? My celebrity status with how do you call it? Look here. It's busy. Oh, the difference is that now we have the sun in front of us. And actually, I wouldn't say that. They need to be pushed for what? Just move on. It's fine. Wow, and we're just walking up. Hello.
Let's name your papa. So, yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's fine. I hope I can see something.
That's so special.
No?
See the shade of the palm tree. Amazing, eh? See?
Yeah. There's also this. You see those stones? You're saying something like celebrity Freddy. What's happening? You'll be on my left. That's very kind, dear. We could walk actually. What kind of shoes do you have? Yeah, it looks like a walkable beach there. Not necessarily. Just kind of walking. Well, it's a bit perilous because of the ground, so you can hit the rock and collapse. But beyond the rock and cellulite, there's no coming back. might die. What do you want to do by getting there? Yeah, if you want. Someone is disturbing people's tranquility. It means that we're bringing some other things than.
I'm gonna film also.
Do you want me to be quiet? A surfer's there. I thought there will be a surfer coming with us. I probably told you this before. I said that I probably told you this. My grandfather died reportedly by getting his feet stuck in
The rock and the ocean.
no, in some sort of ground that keeps pulling you down, kind of.
Yeah.
Well, reportedly he didn't disappear, but they found him kind of sitting but exhausted. Died of exhaustion trying to pull himself out of the. Are you sure we're not gonna fall here? I'm not sure about the ground there, but I see a surfer there. It says I could get him to. He's a better one, I think. It's a much better. Oh, nice.
Beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
It's a nice wave coming.
I hope. Yes, there's another one. I guess another one who tried. If only I knew what was happening, kind of